Today, we are introducing a highly effective tape that will make your renovation project smoother. It's our PE Stucco masking tape, made of high-quality PE material. It is specifically designed to resist ultraviolet rays for more than 180 days. A perfect solution for masking surface when applying plaster, mud, paint, or any other coating. Commonly used on window and door frames, it can be combined with temporary window glass protection films to provide an extra layer of shielding. Its special adhesion rubber-based adhesive ensures a watertight sealing performance, even in harsh environments and weather conditions. What's more, it's easy to tear, and when the job is done, removing the tape is a breeze. It leaves no residue. The bright red color gives it high recognition and clearly distinguish between masking tape or electrical tape. It can be used on plasterboard, wood, metal, brick, vinyl, plaster, and even ceramic tiles. Welcome inquiry.